Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I am going to use these nice sparkly e-nail couture nails. This is what they look like. Can you see that? There we go. Aren't they pretty? They're so pretty. So I am going to do this and make a little cloud design on there. And I am using these e-nail couture nails, and I'm getting my stuff out of my drawer because as usual, I start the video before I'm prepared. So I'm going to use this on them. We're just going to get right to it. I'm going to use regular white polish that I got at the Dollar Tree. So just regular white. I am going to pretty much prep the nails so you can just buff them if you need to, but I am using this because it's been working really good. It's the Aimeili Gel X Prep to help etch the inside of the nail when you do the Aimeili system. So I'm just going to do this. We're going to do little clouds. I figure that'd be pretty on the nails that are already pink and sparkly. And these are going to my coworker, because why not? So I thought clouds would be fun. So this is nice because I have her nails sized up already. So I tried to get these are a little bit off from the ones I got, so I tried to make sure that they matched her fingers. So there we go. Doing that. Put that aside because I'll probably use that later just to prep the inside of the nail. So they're pre-etched for her. She just uses them as regular press-on, so just regular glue. So let's see. I am going to, will that work? I don't think that'll work. Let me get my tools, a paper towel, because, you know, I'm messy and all that. I'm going to use the dotting tool I got from the dollar store. That should work well. Let's see. Are you in frame? Perfect. So I'm going to use this as my palette. And what I have is this little heart-shaped dish. Figured I can get that off with nail polish remover if I need to, because this is regular polish. So let's see. I'm going to start with a nice big one. Just getting a little bit on my tool. Make sure you're in, yeah. And then I want to just do little clouds, so I'm just going to do that. And I'll see what else I can add to it. Oh, that's cute. A little one on the edge. There we go, just fun little clouds. So I'm just going to pick up each one and do that. Just making my clouds. Okay, that's a lot easier than I thought it'd be, honestly. And I'm just going to keep doing that. They should dry nicely. Just want to do a nice, quick, simple nail design. Kind of want to add something else to it. I don't know what yet. Nope, and I'm messing that up. There we go. Those are fun. So I'm just taking the dotting tool and just spreading up the nail polish around. This white is perfect from the dollar store because it's not like super white. I wouldn't say it's French tip white at all, which is good. So this is turning out to be perfect because I did not want it to be completely opaque. I wanted some cloud illusion to it. And since clouds are different shapes, you don't have to be exact with this, I'm finding. Because it's still looking really cool. And I'm only doing 10, and then I'm giving her a set of 5 that, so that way she can mix and match and have more than one set. So she can have some accent nails. So I'm just giving her some plain pink sparkly ones as well. So if she doesn't want like 10 fingers to have all clouds, she doesn't have to. Perfect. A little bit on the edge. A little bit more. Make my cloud. And since this is going real fast, I'll probably be keeping this all in so you can see each nail as I do them in real time. There we go. Ooh, I have some pink gems. That'd be cute on here. So do I want to put gems on there? So I am going to top coat this just with regular gel top coat when I am done. And after they're all dry, I think I want to add some sort of glitter or gem. I have my little bucket of fun stuff behind me, and this is the last one. Oh, perfect. Love it. That is cute. My little clouds. So let's see, this one looks like a little bear. Got a little dot. I'm just double checking. I'm good with that. So I'm getting my little nail art box. It's just pretty massive, so it won't fit up all in there. But I want to do, ooh, these hearts would be cute. Aren't those cute? Do I want to do hearts? Pink sparkle. Let's see what I can come up with. Oop. Don't mind me. Okay. I'm going to close that up. Since I'm done with that, let's see if I can wipe this off. Oh, a little bit of a mess. I just have rubbing alcohol. Let's see if that'll, oh, well, not too bad, not too bad. If I get most of it off, I'll be happy. There we go. Actually, cleaned it really well. So I'm going to put some of this sparkle down. That's nice. I opened it backwards. At least it'll fit on the lid. So what do I want to do? Let's see. I think I'm going to hopefully not mess something up. Oh, that'd be pretty. That's pretty. Oh, that dried really fast. Just trying to add a little bit to the clouds. There we go. Just a little bit to the clouds. I like that. Well, it's still tacky. And I think that is working. Then I'm going to use my gel top coat that I have just for stuff with glitter, because I make a big old mess. I think I'm going to skip the hearts. I like it just like that. So let me show ya. I'm going to let it dry completely. But look at that, isn't that pretty? So let me bring a couple up there. Aren't those cute? A little bit of pink sparkly clouds on pink sparkly nails. I think that is cute. Nice and simple. I think they are fun. So thank you so much for joining me on a quick little nail art video. The nail art doesn't have to be extensive. You can add just a quick touch. This would be cute for an accent nail. If you just want to do some clouds and stuff and sparkles on an accent nail, that'd be fun. So use your imagination, do something fun with your nails this week. I look forward to seeing you next time. Don't forget to like my video, give me a nice thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. And I'll see you all next time. Toodaloo!